Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Begin by preparing an 5 by 11-inch sheet and set a comfortable drawing area. Work on 5 by 11-inch paper and frame your car roughly to a 16:9 composition. Lightly draw 2 horizontal guidelines at the horizon points. Place them at 1/3 and 2/3 of the paper height to keep proportions balanced. Mark the wheel centers first, spacing them about 4-5 inches apart and planning 1-5-inch wheel diameters so the body sits naturally above the wheels. Using a soft pencil, map the Lexus Rx profile with a single long roofline. Start high at the windscreen, then slope it gently into the rear hatch. Start with a long, smooth roofline that slopes gently into the rear hatch. From that roofline, measure a 12-degree downward hood angle toward the front bumper to capture the SUV stance. Indicate wheel arches by sketching 2 trapezoids that sit roughly 0.5 inches above each wheel center, leaving room for suspension and ground clearance lines. Refine the face by drawing the Lexus spindle grille as a wide hourglass shape centered on the front. Make it about 2-5 inches tall to match your scale. Draw the headlight clusters flush with the hood edge and keep them about 0.75 inches tall, adding internal shapes for LED strips and lenses. Add door seams, mirror, and character lines. Shade with soft directional strokes to show curvature. Use 2H for clean construction lines and 4B for deep shadow and wheel darkness to finish the rendering.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.